Hi everyone, this is Alex Tardy at the National Weather Service office in San Diego. Behind me is our webpage weather.gov. Be sure to visit that for additional information. And in front of me on my screen is a picture at our office, National Weather Service office, with a nice cloud in the background. Maybe you know the type of cloud that is representing. This is your latest weather briefing, Monday, September 25th. Okay, we have some significant weather pattern changes going on as we speak. Now it's up in the Pacific Northwest, as you see on the left-hand side, where rain and even thunderstorms and a very cold Pacific storm and atmospheric river is slamming into British Columbia and Seattle. We're not going to get that directly down here in Southern California, but we are experiencing the warmth, especially in our deserts, out ahead of this storm. And that'll be the case the next couple days. By late week, the storm system, what's left of it, will dive into the Great Basin over Nevada and then slow down as well and dig a little further into Southern California by Saturday, as shown here. So an unusually strong system for this time of year in late September. What it means for us is initially a very deep marine layer and drizzle, and then eventually by Friday and especially Saturday, much cooler temperatures for the mountains and the deserts. And I'll say it, maybe even some rain, some showers in addition to the marine drizzle, maybe even a few showers over our inland areas as well as we go into next weekend. Most notably will be the colder conditions and then the wind that's accompanied with that colder air for the weekend. Speaking of temperatures, on the left-hand side is the forecast for Tuesday. That'll linger into Wednesday, and you can shave a couple degrees off by Thursday, most places. Now, the heat inland will continue this week, as mentioned, but then take a look at Saturday. By Saturday, places that are well over 100, such as the Coachella Valley, will not make it out of the 80s. Places in our mountains that are in the 70s over the next couple days this week won't make it out of the 50s. So quite chilly. It's going to feel fall-like. Coastal areas, even coastal areas, will not get above 70 degrees with this storm system swinging through. So the marine air will keep us cool, but then we'll still feel cool and more fall-like as we go into next weekend, even on the coast. So these are big temperature swings for a lot of areas from early this week and then this next weekend. The wind will be blowing in with the storm system. Most places will see wind gusts of 15-20 miles per hour on Friday and Saturday as we go into the weekend. But for our mountains, our desert slopes, and our mountain passes like the I-10, the I-8, those areas will see wind gusts of 30 to 50 miles per hour, so the wind-prone areas. So this includes parts of the high deserts. So along with that cool down will be a lot of wind, a lot of momentum from the storm system that's going to move across Southern California Friday, Saturday, and it may even linger into Sunday of this weekend. The outlook for early October. Once this cold air comes in, it takes a while for it to leave. So the latest forecast is indicating below average, below normal temperatures across Southern California as we roll out September and go into early October, which, by the way, not only is it fall now, when we get to October 1st, that'll be the start of the new water year. So we are expecting some showers to end out this water year all the way through September 30th when the storm system does arrive. Notice in the rest of the country, though, it continues to be warm and much above average. Areas that have really suffered this summer from prolonged heat waves. And so the cool air in the west means a lot of warm air is going to be pumping up across the Great Plains, the Midwest, and the Great Lakes, and even parts of the East Coast, as shown here. So big changes in the weather coming up from early this week till next weekend, with a chance for showers, windy conditions in the mountains and deserts, and much cooler temperatures, especially in our mountains and deserts if you have plans, much cooler, temperatures dropping 20 degrees or so from where they will be early this week. Have a great week and next weekend, and stay safe.